today's video, let's learn about greedy search. Greedy search is an algorithm that always chooses the option that looks best at the current step, the one that seems closest to the goal. It does not consider the entire path, just the next move that appears most promising based on a heuristic function. That's why it's called an informed search. It uses extra knowledge, that is, the heuristic, to guide its decisions. It's fast and simple, but not always guaranteed to find the best overall solution. Let's try to learn with the tree given. Let's start at node A. A has a heuristic value of 5. That means it estimates the goal is about 5 units away. So let's first visit A, and from A we have two options, B and C. B has a heuristic value of 4 and C has a heuristic value of 6. Greedy search always picks the node with the lowest heuristic, that is the one that looks closest to the goal. So it chooses B because 4 is smaller than 6. Now if you see the frontier, the list of available nodes to explore, it contains C with a heuristic value of 6 and the children of B, D with a heuristic value of 2 and E with a heuristic value of 5. Now from the frontier, which node has the smallest edge value? That's D. It has heuristic value of 2. So we go to D. We visit it. From D there is only one child edge, and that's our goal. And it has a heuristic value of 0 since it's our goal. So greedy picks edge immediately, which is having the lowest edge heuristic closest to the goal. And we are done. So greedy got us to the goal quickly. In this case, this may be the optimal and correct path, but that's not always the case. It ignored the actual path cost and just went where it looked closest. There can be some instances where it come up with a less optimal solution. Because it's always greedy to the goal, it focuses only on the heuristic value. Greedy search is great when we want speed over perfection and our heuristics are reliable and we don't need the best path but a good one, like in real-time games or GPS shortcuts. I hope this video cleared about the greedy search in a best way, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.